Welcome to the Odd Squad, Tool Tech Geek. We're looking at the Sheffield Dual Head. I got this tool because I thought it was very unusual, the design. So it has two heads and also other strange features, such as the secondary tools deploy, but instead of deploying to the same side, basically they deploy to the opposite that you would expect in a conventional tool. But this kind of makes sense because this tool, it has a different symmetry. Then the plier head is a needle nose, and then it has three crimpers, and then a cutter, the wire cutter. On the other side, it has a diagonal cutter that's pretty large. So I was interested in this part of the tool, but it is a little bit rough, so you can cut a zip tie, for example, but it takes some work. So keep that in mind if you are thinking of getting this tool for the diagonal cutters. They are with some limitations. Then you have the Phillips screwdriver, pretty long reach, so that was a good thing about that tool. You got a can opener, a file with a fish scaler, a hook, and then the Phillips we were talking about. That's on one side. On the other side, you have blade, an owl that they call mini blade, a flathead screwdriver, another flathead screwdriver with bottle opener. So the tools inside. That's the blade. And then you have some kind of hook to lock it. And then those pins, that's where all the force goes. It comes with a sheath. You kind of really need the sheath because this tool never closes. It's either one or the other heads pointing out, so you better never lose that sheath. Then you have those springs. They are supposed to keep the tools a little bit in place, but they just are a little bit loose. Here it is, the Sheffield Dual Head. It has lots of functions. It is a bit of a budget multi-tool with a lot of limitations, so keep your expectations accordingly. If you're interested in getting it, or if you're a collector, you can get it just because it is such a unusual shape. It gets really long when you extend it, so I guess you could use that hook maybe to reach far away. It's almost like a foot long. And then there you have it, Sheffield Dual Head. One of the strangest configurations in the multi-tool world. Thank you for watching. See you next time.